An insulated boom is a high quality piece of equipment, and keeping it that way means taking proper care of it. Here's how. The key thing to remember is this: any dirt, moisture or debris inside the boom can compromise its insulation properties, putting your operator at risk of electrocution. To prevent that, your boom must be kept clean and regularly inspected for damage. First thing to do is automatically fully extend your boom by using your normal controls, and then we need to extend the boom fully, so you can't actually do that just from here. You'll need to remove this panel, and then same controls here for boom, and using the manual pop lever here will fully extend your boom so you can see the extra bits to check. First step to look at is external cleanliness. So look for anything that doesn't belong: tree sap, dirt, grease, excessive moisture or oil. Clean the surface with a non-abrasive detergent and low pressure water. Dry the boom completely, then wipe with a silicone cloth, which will prevent debris sticking and make it easier to clean next time. Checking now for external damage. Inspect the boom for cracks, fractures, worn areas or damage to the gel coat or fiberglass. Missing wear pads or rollers should also be reported immediately. Call us at Waimea Group to talk about that. We're going to look at internal cleanliness. So inside the boom, debris like bird nests, grease or dirt or moisture can also cause issues. When checking the internals of this end of the boom, this cover needs to come off. Undo these 4 bolts, and then just look up the internals up there to see if there's any bird nesting, any damage. The fiberglass section of the boom is the most critical part when it comes to insulation and operator safety. That's why both internal and external inspections are essential to keep it in peak condition. When cleaning the inside of the fiberglass boom, which is up inside here, make sure the overall boom is fully retracted. This prevents grease transfer from the steel section, contaminating the boom's insulation performance. And then to let it dry, extend it fully up in the sun, let it drain out, then put everything back together again. Next step is to do your scheduled testing. Acoustic testing should be performed every 2 years. Electrical testing is required at least every 6 months, or more frequently, depending on your company's safety protocols. With regular cleaning, inspection and testing, your insulated boom will continue to perform at its best, and more importantly, keep your operators safe.